Are you looking for the best small greenhouse kits? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best small greenhouse kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Eagle Peak Instant Pop-Up Greenhouse. The Eagle Peak Greenhouse is by far the roomiest small greenhouse kit on our list. But that's not why it earned best overall. We set up the portable, pop-up structure in just 15 minutes, the quickest on our list. Once the included metal anchors were in the ground, the frame felt stable and sturdy. Its thick cover performed well, too. It didn't budge during daily use or extreme weather. After an unexpected rainstorm, we didn't find any puddles on the roof. Inside, it was easy to control the temperature and humidity by rolling the screened window coverings up or down. Rolling up the doorway cooled it down faster, which was helpful during heat waves. Filling up the 100 square foot space was our only struggle. Even with nearly 100 seedlings and a dozen plants on 2 shelves, not included, the greenhouse was still not full. We could have easily tripled the shelves and still had room for a small work table. Product details: size, 118.1 x 118.1 by 109.1 inches. Panel material, polyethylene, PE, frame material, alloy steel, shelves included, no. Number 2. Quictent Portable Mini Cloche Greenhouse. The Quictent Portable Mini Cloche Greenhouse looks like a full-size greenhouse shrunk in the wash, just the right size for slipping over the sides of a raised bed. It took us 20 minutes to assemble the series of metal tubes and plastic couplings that formed its snug frame and attach the cover. Its ties were too short, forcing us to double knot them to the frame. The lightweight structure was easy to lift over pots of veggies. But without included ground anchors, it got jostled around by the wind. If you weren't sheltering large potted plants, you'd want to fasten it down using landscaping staples. Surprisingly, the materials held up to the elements. There were no rips in the cover and the frame felt sturdy. If the wind wasn't blowing during our testing, it was hot. We liked that both side panels could be rolled up all the way to keep air moving, so we kept them open along with all 4 top vents. Product details: size, 71 by 36 by 36 inches, panel material, polyvinyl, PVC, frame material, metal, shelves included, no. Number 3. Ohuhu Walk-in Plant Greenhouse. The Ohuhu Walk-in Plant Greenhouse is cleverly designed with a roomy walkway under the peak of its 6-foot roof. Along with ample headspace, there's a generous amount of shelving. A total of 12 shelves, 6 on each side, span from wall to wall. We like that the shelving units stand at a convenient height for moving pots without needing to bend over. The tool-free setup took about 40 minutes. Once it was anchored into the ground, it didn't budge. It stayed completely dry inside during our testing period, and it seems durable enough to withstand several gardening seasons. On days when temperatures spiked, the small greenhouse kit would get 25 to 40 degrees warmer. The last week of testing, it got too warm for the seedlings we had started. Disaster could have been avoided with more careful monitoring since we didn't think to open the window panels on those unseasonably warm days. Product details: size, 57 by 57 by 76 inches, panel material, polyethylene, PE, frame material, alloy steel, shelves included, 12 shelves. Number 4. Home Complete 4-Tier Mini Greenhouse. The Home Complete 4-Tier Mini Greenhouse was an ideal shape and size for our testers' outdoor and indoor space. After a stress-free 20-minute assembly, we positioned the small greenhouse kit against a kitchen wall near a sliding door. It didn't take up much space, and was easily transported outside to the back deck wall. During our testing, its 4-tiered shelves seemed reliably stable under the weight of herb starts and flowers in medium-sized pots. While the shelves aren't adjustable, wispy plants might be able to grow through their open grid construction. It's a good detail to note for those who don't want water and dirt dripping down on plants below. Luckily, the cover comes off easily and can be quickly sprayed down. To keep plants content, we had to manually regulate the humidity, but it wasn't difficult to zip open and shut the cover throughout the day. Product details: size, 27 by 19 by 63 inches, panel material, polyvinyl, PVC, frame material, alloy steel, shelves included, 4 shelves.